Approaching 5:20 in the evening time. Time now for the Weather Magician with PJ Wiggins. The evening report. Sunday evening, August 11th. 2013. Good evening, everybody. Our current conditions at 5:20 p.m. in North Massachusetts. We got a temperature of 79 degrees with a humidity of 39%. Wind speeds west about 9 miles per hour. Barometer 30.01 inches. 2.52 degrees. Visibility 10 miles. The heat index of 79 degrees. All right, let's take a look at our radar around the country, and it shows.
Again, that's a smaller car, a little coupe, engine in the front, driving up. It's really hot. I would not like to be a road speaker.
A couple of popcorn clusters, showers in northern Quebec, stretching in northern Ontario, stretching in southern Manitoba, stretching from Saskatchewan, stretching in Alberta, down in the British Columbia. So, almost all the provinces of Canada get much of some shower activity, except a few down in New Brunswick and a couple of popcorn clusters, showers and storms in some of West Virginia, stretch for Kentucky and Tennessee, down in the northern Mississippi, and a couple of popcorn cluster storms stretching in northern Georgia and northern South Carolina, and a couple of popcorn cluster storms in central Gulf Coast near Louisiana, now stretching through Mexico, we're coming down there, and stretching for Texas here, and a couple of showers and storms in northern Texas, stretching in western Oklahoma, stretching in North Texas down to southeastern Texas, and a couple of batch of showers and storms in western New Mexico, especially for Arizona, down up to Utah, through Colorado, down to Wyoming, down to Montana, down into central Idaho, northeastern Oregon, and a couple of batch of showers in northern British Columbia. Alright, let's take a look at our satellite opening shows. A lot of clouds in the southern New England coastline, stretching from New York, New Jersey, stretching through eastern Maryland and Delaware, stretching to eastern Virginia, and another batch of clouds from southern Ohio down for 70 Indiana, down in Illinois and Missouri. Another batch of clouds of western West Virginia and western Virginia, stretching for western North Carolina, stretching for eastern Kentucky and Tennessee, northern Alabama, from central Mississippi and Arkansas, and another batch of clouds western off of the Gulf Coast of Florida, Alabama, Mississippi, Louisiana, Gulf Coast, through the Texas Gulf Coast line, and down into southern Mexico. And another popcorn clouds down western Texas, down in New Mexico, through Arizona, down in Utah, down in Colorado, stretching through Wyoming, down in Montana, down for central northern Idaho, stretching in northern Oregon, southern Washington, stretching into British Columbia, and stretching up to Alberta, through Saskatchewan, and a couple of batches of clouds in Manitoba and Ontario, down to northern Quebec and northern New Brunswick, stretching to northern Maine. Alright, let's take a look at our
and a word from our ABC stations.
Post-tropical cyclone Henrietta is at 5 o'clock. 21 miles per hour, 278 degrees. Wind speed 35, gusting to 45. Pressure 1,010 millibars. Alright, 7-day forecast goes like this. For tonight, patchy fog after 5 a.m. Otherwise, most clouds, skies will low in 57 degrees. West wind about 5 to 7 miles per hour, becoming light. And available in the evening, Monday, patchy fog before 8 a.m. Otherwise, sunny skies high near 85 degrees. Light southwest wind becoming west about 5 to 9 miles in the morning. Monday night, patchy fog after 1 a.m. Otherwise, increase of clouds about low in 65 degrees. Southwest wind about 5 to 9 miles per hour, becoming in the morning. South night. Tuesday, chance of showers and thunderstorms. Morning after 9 a.m. Otherwise, patchy fog before 9 a.m. Otherwise, cloudy with a high near 82 degrees. Southwest wind about 6 to 10 miles per hour, gusts at 23 miles per hour. Chance of precipitation is 50%. New rainfall match between 10 and a quarter inch to 5 hours. Possible thunderstorms. Tuesday night, a chance of showers and thunderstorms. Most clouds low in 61 degrees. Northwest wind about 6 miles per hour. Chance of precipitation 50%. New rainfall match between 10 and a quarter inch to 5 hours. Possible thunderstorms. Wednesday, most of the skies high near 76 degrees. Wednesday night, most clear skies low in 53 degrees. Thursday, sunny skies high near 78 degrees. Thursday night, most clear skies low in 55 degrees. Friday, sunny skies high near 80 degrees. Friday night, most clear skies low in 57 degrees. Saturday, most sunny skies high near 80 degrees. Saturday night, patchy skies low in 60 degrees. And Sunday, most sunny skies high near 82 degrees. Peter's what a phrase of the evening. A beautiful evening on top of the marvelous Monday on tap for Monday. This is Peter J. Wiggins. I hope you have a good evening with a good positive attitude.